friends, welcome to Lucky's Casa. Hope all of you are staying healthy and safe. In this video, I'm gonna show aquarium setup at my home. Last month, we visited our relative's house and my daughter saw a fish tank. She likes it very much and asked us for her own fish tank. So, we bought this for her. Keeping a live fish at home gives you more positive energy and happiness. Few people will buy the fish for Vastu at home. I must share one important point to you all. Keeping the fish in home isn't be enough. Maintaining healthy and happy fish is very important for more prosperity at home. I will show here how I set up aquarium at my home and few basic requirements to maintain. Now, without wait, let's go to the video. This is an imported tank which comes with light, motor and filter. This is a food dispenser, and if we open, we can see the light, motor and filter. There are two connected wires in it. One is for light. This button is to change the colors in light. Another one is for motor and filter. So now let's see the accessories I bought for the setup. First one is backdrop. There are so many beautiful backdrops for fish tanks, but I prefer to give plain colors of my own by using tissue craft paper. This one can change whenever I feel like, and fish will look bright and beautiful. Also cost effective. Next is heater. This is must buy accessory in fish tank for happy fish. This will maintain constant temperature in water, which makes fish very comfortable in all the seasons. These are artificial accessories, can be optional to buy. Few are for decorating a tank and few are hiding places for fish to go hide, be alone and play. These big and small colorful pedals are for flooring in the tank. Now let's see how I arranged these accessories in the tank. These mountain shape accessories are hiding places for fish to go and hide. Hey, here is my little princess, helping her mom to get the pedals ready to arrange in the tank. Come on, Lucky! So here it is. We are done with the arrangements and decorations in the tank. This looks beautiful, isn't it? Now, coming to filter. This is one of the most important part to set up a fish tank at home. There are lots of filter media in market, but I prefer fewer for my tank. One is Geolite. This is a chemical filter which removes ammonia in water. Another one is activated charcoal, which is again a chemical filter. This will remove any harmful metals in water. Next is ceramic rings, which is biological filter for good bacteria. Last one is aquarium sponge. This is a mechanical filter which removes minute waste particles in water. So let's arrange the media in tank now. Water will come through this pipe and fill on the media. Filtration happens and then clean water will go back to the tank through outlet. So the filter media is ready. Let's fill the water. Wow, Buddha looks amazing underwater. Aquarium setup is almost done. Hey, you can see the colors changing here for the light. It looks good. Now, Let's run the motor and filter for 4 hours for good oxygen levels in water before welcoming our fish. This is a solution called Aqua Clear to remove any harmful bacteria in water before adding the fish. Add just 2 to 3 ml of solution for 100 liters of water. Now let's welcome our fish. Ta-da! We bought 3 varieties of fish, which is totally 12. One is tiger oscar, copper oscar, white tiger oscar, blood parrot, yellow parrot, cichlids. This is a parasital medicine for fish, which will remove external and internal parasite infections in fish. They are looking around the entire place to see where to hide, how to play. I hope they like their new home. After adding the fish, we felt motor is pretty much small for this aquarium tank. So we bought the new motor, which is extra. This can add good levels of oxygen in water. It has 2 hoses to add both sides of the aquarium. You could see here they are adding good levels of oxygen in water. Wow! You can see here that yellow parrot is hiding inside the mountains and playing. This looks amazing. That's all about aquarium setup, friends. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Stay safe and bye bye.